You can now use WhatsApp to create videos for yourself. You can use WhatsApp to create videos just like you were using Grok AI to create videos. You can now use Meta AI inside WhatsApp to create videos. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use Meta AI on your WhatsApp account and be creating videos for free. You don't need to pay. You don't need to subscribe. In fact, you don't need to register anything. And you start creating videos with Meta AI on your WhatsApp account. And without wasting much of your time, let me show you how you are going to start using Meta AI on your WhatsApp and start creating videos. So let's get started. So the first thing you are going to do is to log in into your WhatsApp account. Now, when you log in into your WhatsApp account, you are going to see an icon here, a Meta icon here. Just tap on it. And when you tap on it, it's going to open like this. Now, let's try to generate image first, and after we generate the image, we are going to turn the image to video using this Meta AI. Now let me go to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. This is my image prompt. Let me try to copy this image prompt like this. Let me copy this image prompt. Now go back to the WhatsApp. Now coming back to the WhatsApp, I'm going to paste it here. Now after pasting it, I'll click on generate. So let's give it some minutes so that WhatsApp is going to generate this image for us. And after it generates this image, we are going to turn this image to video. We are going to tell him to animate the image to video. And it's going to create the image. As you can see, creating your image. So this is how it's going to do and create the image. So after I create the image, we are going to turn the image to video using this Meta AI again. So as you can see, this is the image here. This is the image here, just the way I prompt it. I did not want it to be realistic. I can decide to make it a realistic, but this is the image here. So I can decide to ask him to turn this image to video. Now, this is how we are going to do it. Let me go and copy my image to video prompt. Okay, image to video prompt with the dialogue and the camera motion, everything here. Now, I'm copying it. This is one of the story I'm working on right now. Let's copy it to this stage. Now after copying it, we'll go back to the WhatsApp app. Now this is the image. Let's try to download the image. Let's try to download the image. We click on download up here. The image has been saved. So now let's upload the image. Let's click on this plus icon. We upload the image from our gallery. This is the image here. I upload the image without putting the prompt. Okay, let me do that again. Upload the image, and I'm going to paste the prompt with the image, and I'll click on send. So after pasting the image with the prompt,
it is a long message.
So let's give it some minutes. Now it's creating the video. As you can see, it's creating the video right now. Now this is the video. Let me play the video. I have to download the video. As you can see, it's downloading the video. And after I download the video, I'm going to play it and you guys are going to see it. Now this is the video. As you can see, this is the video here. Just like I wanted, this is the video here. This is the video. So you can use Meta AI to create your own videos. This is just a story I'm working on right now. So you can just click on download up here, and you also save this video to your phone. And it animates up to 5-second video. And one thing about it is that it does not have watermark, nothing like watermark. Everything is being done. So this is how you are going to use Meta AI and to be creating videos or creating image using Meta AI on your WhatsApp account. Now you have seen everything, how you are going to use Meta AI on your WhatsApp account and be creating videos for free without subscribing, without anything like credit, and it is unlimited, no watermark. You have seen everything. Don't forget, if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.